This course is conducted by University of Infrastructure, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, affiliated college, Sunway International Business School. From the last since 2019 batch, I teach to their students as a lecturer of accounting and financial for managers. In this class, I want to create a curiosity towards the accounting and financial for managers, and why is it essential into our business organization. Everything we will discuss into our slides. Okay, firstly I want to go to introduce the subject matter. What is accounting and financing? Accounting and financing is related faculties. If accounting is unable to present of data, financial accounting unable to find out different kind of financial statement, such as income statement, balance sheet, and different kind of analyzing activities. That's why we can see that accounting and financial is a single coin, two part of single coins. First of all, the definition of accounting. What is it? Accounting is record keeping of day-to-day business activities timely and accurately. No more. That involves several kind of activities into our accounting areas, such as recording, classification, analyzing, summarizing, interpreting, communicating, and all the financial information delegating to the related business holders or stakeholders. That's called accounting. And financing means that our financing is concerns with preparing of different kind of financial statement for knowing company's actual financial position of a company, financial strength and weaknesses of a company, and cash position into their organizations, where to be generated and where to be used. That types of activities perform into their organization. If properly follow of this fund into different kind of organization, that types of organizations create a good values or good efficiency. Otherwise, if they unable to manage the accounting and financing coordinations between their performance, they cannot find out the actual result, and they unable to achieve of their goals or business goals. They know. So that the course basically curiosity towards the accounting and financial areas. What is it, and so what actually involves their terminologies for accounting and financial areas. Okay, AMO instructor Kanil Chabi, Sonor International Business School, Infrastructure University affiliated college, which is located in Maiti Devi, Kathmandu, Nepal. So I want to introduce of accounting definition from these slides. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, accounting is one of the fastest growing professional and is among the popular field of study. Before I say actual definition of accounting, record keeping of day-to-day business activities timely and accurately. No more. That involves accounting is fastest growing professional and among the popular field of the study. It means that it's any organization, if unable to present of the accounting, that types of organization surely be failure. I guarantee it. Okay. So accounting is most crucial and essential part of the business organization, and that have a certain challenging for record keeping and create accuracy onto their financial activities, and also it is interesting for recording over their financial areas, and Also we can use different kind of accounting activities, or it means that function of accounting activities are involved in the last bullet points as a accounting definition. Accounting may be defined as the process of recording, summarizing, classifying, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating financial information in monetary terms. Accounting is activities which is record keeping onto their money or money worth. That's called accounting. And next one, what are the major terminologies of accounting? Major terminologies of accounting are what is the only 5 fingers, no more, 5 fingers are the major terminology of accounting and finance, no more. They involve assets, liabilities, capital, revenue or income, and expenses or losses. There are the major 5 things surroundings accounts are involves all activities, and we need to solve under their 5 terminologies. Okay. That's why what are the major terminologies covered of all over the accounting and financial course, professional and real business world? First of all, I want to define its assets. What is it? Assets normally, most of the students told me assets is the types of property which can use properly on self, or which have a possessions long period of time. That's called assets. Actually, this is the big definition. How to understand it's exactly assets? I have a small definition, short definitions which can easily identify this object is assets or not. First things, assets is those things. Things means goods, objects. Assets are those things which can be provide 2 or more time benefits for us. That's called assets. Sometimes this definition may not be matched with the liquid form, but it is the essential or crucial factors which can be exchanged with one to another's values. And liabilities is obligation to pay when we perform buying, sales, lending and borrowings activities. No more. Accountable to pay when we perform different kind of activities. What are they? They are buying, credit sales. Sales means credit sales means receivable, that is the assets. Receivables means credit purchase, lendings and borrowings activities. Okay. And capital is the property of the company which can be converted into different kind of business assets. Business assets means what are they? They are furniture, fixtures you can buy from this capital, okay, which is in the form of liquid. Okay. And certain amounts you have excessive form, then you can set the raise up. And we have a revenue or income. After performing of your business organization, goods buying and sold activities, and you can generate a certain income. It means that SP minus CP is the revenue or income. SP means revenue, and expenditure excluding, and you have a certain residual value, that's called income. And we have last point, expenses and losses. Expenditures means when you certain things you buy and you spend certain amount of money. I want to provide a short definition of expenses. Expenses is those activities which can be single time benefits for us. That's called expenses. If you want to buy some things, then another times you can same things you can go, you can buy, then you need to spend a certain amount of money on other liquid forms, not the same. That's called expenses. And we have a elaboration of business transactions. Business have different kind of transactions. Most of the organizations, service and manufacturing organizations have different activities performing, but in the form of same four activities: cash and credit, which is receipt, paid, and receivable and payable. You know, this above two parties cash transaction, and this one is credit transactions. Okay, so that business sell goods for cash. You collect a cash against the provide of goods and services. Okay, goods means merchandise goods and goods, and services means which company serve us facilitate a different kind of services, like that banking organization, banking sectors, and colleges, hospital, as well. You know, and buy, when you buy of goods, you have a position of goods or properties, and against the use of your possessions, you need to pay certain amount of cash. That's called a buying activities. That's the cash payment. This is the cash transaction. Credit transaction, receivable and payables. We here, and business have a business sell goods open account. Business sells with open accounts. It means that credit sales, when you sold goods with the credit to the certain client, then you need to receivable amounts from this client, which is recorded onto your receivable account. Okay, that's the receivable transaction. And payables means when you buy certain goods and services from your merchant, and you buy a credit goods from their shop or business, at the circumstances your liabilities record on payable account. That's the business transactions. And next one, most essential factors. I want to prefer these major things, and you have some curiosity after read this 5 bullet points. Okay, why study of accounting and financial for manager? Why study? First of all, after learn of the accounting and financial terminologies, then you know about the basic concept of accounting, and what it is performed into the business organizations, and what types of role you can easily understand it, and you can to make economic, financial, and operation decisions for that purpose. It means that if you have a fund, or if you have not a fund, you can take decisions what to do and not to do. That is the decision related with economic decision, financial decision, and operation decision. And next one we have for collection of timely, accurate, and exact financial data. Accounting section collect of all accounting data accurately and exactly on time. And next one, create a extremely competitive business environment. After you learn accounting and finance, then you can find out the different financial strategies, accounting strategies, and you can achieve easily of your business goal. That is another one is prevention from of financial risks. It means that when you manage a fund, finance teach you lower cost of capitals you can use into your business organization, that you have a lower cost, and the company prevent from of financial risks easily. And next one, easy to understand the accounting terminology, concept, and procedures, accounting practices, which assist to smoothly running of the every business activities. Okay, that are things, or that are the major elements for study of accounting and financial for manager. Okay, everything provides economic decision how to take. It's provided by accounting and financing. Financial decisions provided by financial activities, and operating decisions provided by accounting and financing. How do it? We will discuss onto our course of contents, and collection timeline accurate, that is the activities, and competitive business environment creates, it means that you have a certain amount of fund and you required a large amount of money, then where to be generate, where to be collect, and how to compete to the similar business. The types of things provided by the account and finance. That's why you require to study of this accounting. And here are some recording rules into your different kind of financial statement. What are the things or what are the activities in which sections we need to set? First of all, equity account involve common stock, additional paid-in capital, return earning, ownership capital, withdrawals or owners' names. That is the equity capital. Revenue accounts involve goods sold, fixed assets sold, equipment sold, and other sales item which is sold or served into your business organization. And expenses account involves cost of goods sold, cost of fixed assets sold, material purchase, goods purchase, periodic format, and salaries and other utilities form. It is the daily operating activities. Okay, and next one, what are the things need to be settled onto the assets account? Assets involve cash, marketable. This is the certain elements. Business have lots of assets, lots of expenses, lots of income. But here is learn about the basic. What are the things are assets? What are the things of liabilities? What are the things of expenses? Just only what to be said. That are the things provided by accounting and financing. Okay. According to the business natures, there have different things or different areas. You need to settle it onto these assets, liabilities, or others accounting terminologies. That's why liabilities involve accounts payable, sales tax payables, and others payable items, short term and long term, also involved over here. And I want to define it. Major accounting branch is financial accounting, cost accounting, and managerial accounting. We will discuss about three major topic, and we will concern into our classes about these three major topics. That's why financial accounting concern with preparing of different kind of financial statement, such as income statement, balance sheet, cash flows, and others analytical statements. And cost accounting involves a statement of cost, identify the cost per unit, and take on cost related decision making. That is the cost accounting. And managerial accounting involves planning, organizing, coordinating, controlling. Everything is involved over there. Managerial accounting. Okay. Includes major functions of accounting. Major functions means recording, classification, analyzing. There are involved into this managerial accounting. Okay, this is the course which is generated by Infrastructure University of Malaysia. That's why I instruct you about this topic. Thank you very much for listening of this audio and video, listening and watching. And if you have any queries, you can ask below this commentary box. I will provide the solutions of your problems. Okay. Thank you very much for empathetic listening onto this course. That's why we will teach you that's the format. Okay, so I want to terminate this session. Thank you.